Welcome to a family art workshop presented by WheatonArts. In this video, we are going to be using aluminum foil to explore a modified approach to a traditional method of embossing. The required materials include a piece of cardboard that is either 8 inches by 10 inches or smaller, a pencil, a pair of scissors, Elmer's glue, yarn, tweezers, heavy-duty aluminum foil, Elmer's spray adhesive, a small felt square, and colored Sharpie markers. Begin by sketching a design, either representational or abstract, onto your cardboard with your pencil and cut your cardboard into your desired shape. Create an outline or trace the lines of your design with glue and carefully place a piece of yarn on top of it using tweezers if necessary to help you. Continue to apply glue and yarn until your design is complete and give the glue time to dry. Once your glue is dried, cut a piece of aluminum foil about 1 inch larger than the cardboard. Spray one side of the aluminum foil with your spray adhesive and place the foil sticky side down onto the cardboard. Starting from the center, use a small felt square to slowly rub the aluminum foil over the yarn pattern. Then wrap the remaining foil around the edge to the back of the cardboard. And finally, use your color Sharpies to color the low areas of the foil, keeping the raised lines free of color. Thank you for joining us, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.